Hello everybody, Tan Productions here. It is July 5th, 2026. It is just a little bit after 6, and I'm at my uncle's beach house in North Carolina. And here's some Trane XR units. Looks like both of them just shut off. The house is relatively small, even though there are 2 units. I don't know if one cools the upstairs and one cools the downstairs, or if they both cool at the same time, because it looks like they both just shut off. There's the data right there. That one's from December 2020, and it's appears to be, I think that's a 2-ton, if I'm correct. Either 2-ton, yeah, it's a 2-ton. I think that's a 2-ton right there. And this one is also from 2020, November of 2020. Here's a good view of the units. Don't know how cold and sweaty the lines are. I don't know if these are heat pumps or air conditioners. I think they'd be, actually I think that's, don't know if that's a reversing valve. Yeah, I don't think the house is any other source of heat, so I think these are heat pumps. This one's got a Gentech fan motor. This one's also got a Gentech fan motor. Don't know what type of compressor it has, but it almost looks older than it should be. There's like some green like paints. I don't know how that ended up in there. Yeah, this one also has a little green. So I'll check the other unit. Lines aren't terribly cold either. Although the house is nice and cool, the house itself is pretty comfortable. In fact, air conditioning probably runs a little too well, because I freeze in there at night and in the mornings. I think this one's also a 2-ton. So I think these units run at the same time, so this could be oversized for the house. I don't know. It could be perfectly sized. Yeah, I don't know how they have 2 units. Even it is a 2-story house, but I do think this could be a little, these 2 units could be a little oversized for the house. So yeah, 2 2020 Trane XR condensing units. I think they're heat pumps. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Out.